Have you ever wondered how to leverage AI in your creative projects? Today, we're diving into the world of open source AI. The goal is to empower you to generate creative content easily. First, let's explore what open source AI is. Open source AI allows everyone to access advanced tools. It democratizes technology, offering solutions for individual creators. Systems like Stable Diffusion and GPT-3 are significant players. These models offer unique capabilities compared to proprietary options. Next, let's see how to use open source AI for creative tasks. First, let's generate captivating images using Stable Diffusion. Install the software on your machine and choose a starting prompt. Run the model, tweak the parameters, and generate your amazing artwork. Now, let's craft engaging written content with GPT-3. Access the model through a platform like OpenAI. Type your prompt, and let GPT-3 surprise you with its creativity. Make sure to refine and edit to fit your style. Don't forget about music and audio. There are open-source tools for creating unique soundtracks. Experiment with different platforms to find the right fit for your needs. While utilizing these tools, we must consider ethics. Responsible AI use is vital to prevent biases. Acknowledge the challenges and work towards ethical creativity. As we look ahead, open source AI continues to evolve. It opens new doors for creativity and innovation in various fields. Staying informed will enhance your creative capabilities. In summary, open source AI tools empower creative expression. Experimenting with tools like Stable Diffusion and GPT-3 is crucial. Ethical considerations will help shape the future. Now it's your turn to explore these technologies. Start creating and share your experiences with the community.